What is up, guys? Welcome back. Check it out. Today I'm pretty excited. I've got my first purchase and experience with StockX. Pretty cool. I've had sneakers for a long time. Been collecting sneakers all the way back to the OGs of the Jordans. That's when I got into it, right around the Jordan 5 back in the day. And I'm excited. So we get to unbox these StockX pair right here, which we'll see in a second. And then also I got a little bonus pair right over here. Just something else to open up and check out. Some of you might not know what StockX is. It's an app. You can go on there, you can get shoes that are hard to find or they're old, they've never been worn, all the new stock, and you can buy it for whatever the people are willing to pay for it. The seller will ship it to StockX, they will verify it, and they will ship it to the buyer. One of the cool things is StockX does rate the product, they verify it is real, and they put their name brand on it with a verification tag when it is sent right over to you. So what's the StockX shoe? We've all got our different opinions on what shoes we like. I love the Jordan 12. Oh my God, I've always loved the Jordan 12. It's always been one of my favorites. I remember back, I was coming out of like high school or whatever, so I was in high school, and I got like every colorway they originally made in that. This colorway just came out. It is the Indigo Blue or the Stone Blue. I'm gonna rename that in a second. Just one second. But hey, I love the 12s, so let's open it up. Check it out. By the way, if you got those, what do they call, the University Golds or whatever, I call them the Pittsburgh Steeler 12s that just came out. Those are pretty sweet as well. Even though I'm not really a Pittsburgh fan, but they were nice. Let's see what we got here. As you know, a lot of shoes can go for a lot of money. And it does not have anything to do with StockX on a box, which I was curious about. There she is. You'll see the price of these flux depending on how old they get, how much people are wanting to cop them and all that. Card. StockX, got a little card in there. There's your receipt. Shooey, son. So there's a good breakdown right there. They were purchased at $235, sales tax $17, processing fee $7, shipping $13.95. That was a little bit of a surprise first time I did it. I wasn't expecting that total to get so high. But like I said, I've got to get these 12s. If you got a shoe you got to get, maybe it's worth it for you. Oh yeah, there they are. That's nice. So the most interesting thing right out of the package is it almost looks like a suede. It's a leather. It's like a micro suede leather. Got a very unique color. That carbon fiber on the bottom, like normal. It's got a little bit of scuff where they were throwing it around, but kind of would like that 23 to be red or gold or something. Oh man, I love the taxis. Let's talk about your favorite 12s right now. My favorite 12s, the taxis, and then the cherries. Remember the cherries? The cherries with the red and the white, sick. Those gym reds are pretty cool. They came out lately. There's a StockX tag. I want to have a little discussion with you guys real quick about this. Do you leave these on? Or do you take them off? Because you got pros and cons of both. Now if you leave them on, it's a certified shoe. And it's kind of baller that it's real, and it's got the scan code where you can go into it. If somebody wants to buy it, you want to resell it, it's already verified. There's no questions asked. Do you keep it on if it's a higher level shoe? Like, I don't know. If this is a Travis Scott, one of those low bandanas or whatever, it's going for $1,800. Do you keep that on now? Or what? I want to kind of gauge people out with that because I've never bought anything like this before. It's verified with the tag. So I'm not sure. Let me know, is that tool bag or is that respected or what? You can see a couple NBA players picking these up too during the playoffs. That's nice to see. You can call these a stone blue, you can call these the indigo blue, but I'll call them what I'm gonna call them. Bro, they are the Bud Lights. There you go. Get you some Jordan 12 Bud Lights on StockX today. Second pair of shoes, if you're bored and you want something to do, these are not such a big deal. Just thought I'd get these for a specific reason. Let's go check them out, check them out. All right, it's gonna give it away. Huh, I wonder what's in there. Huh. I wonder what these are. Before I open this box, these aren't the most special pair of shoes as far as like hard to get all over StockX and stuff. It's just, I had a couple family members that died of cancer, unfortunately, and I bought some cancer awareness shirts and stuff. I wanted a pair of pink shoes to wear with them. Just like all black outfit, pink ribbon on your shirt, and then these bad boys on your feet. Look at that, just glowing out of the box. Holy cow. Oh my good God. I'm sure the camera's gonna have a different shade, but they are listed officially as the Air Force One Laser Crimson. This series of release had a little tongue detail tag that shoots out the top and it comes all the way down the middle. Hold your laces nice and straight. Pretty. I thought they'd have extra laces in there so you can mix it up. Maybe like some white. But no. It's alright though. You can see that kind of like leather with almost a suede kind of feel. Just wanted to note that these shoes look like hot pink inside under a fluorescent light. When you go outside, they turn into like a fire orange. Really weird, unique shoe. So as far as wearing them with this kind of stuff, don't know, but still, they're cool. There you go, 2 new shoes for the collection. 2 shoes from really different worlds. Go with all different kinds of things. So I like them both. It turned out good. To be honest, I'm getting kind of thirsty. After doing this video, I'm getting kind of thirsty. Future shoes. Also, what are you looking forward to? What shoes are you looking forward to? I know that they're talking about like January, February, that Jordan 6 Carmine, whatever, the like maroonish and white one. Oh my God, that was hot when I was little. I was a little kid, that thing was so hot. Jesus, I got a picture of him dunking with that thing. Oh my God, I remember they came out with that infrared black originally, then they came out with the white, then that carmine dropped and it was like, oh my God, that was sick. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, then go yourself. Just kidding. If you didn't like the video, check the bottom of my channel. There's all kinds of people called bad mofos, hours and hours of fun. Just remember that I've got over 100 videos on my channel down there. Anything you want to see is on there. Click it, make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you back. When they release that 12 French blue again, it's all white with the blue bottom, those will be the Miller Lights. Gotta get me some Miller Lights too, bro. See ya. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.